siyaphila ngawe. Ufuna ukubona amandebele phumelela khulukhulu ekorweni yozokusithabisa.
Lotshani Mzansi, ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu, indebele lihlakaniphileko nelifundileko. Bakwethu ningalibala bonyana sikadangisa eGood Life Studios nasimniningwana lapha. Angikhambi ngedwa-ke kazi, ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku.
Ungakhohlwa ukuthi e-studio sentwana iGrootman L4Cars.
Ntwana neGrootman.
Lami ibizo nginqobile nqobza.
Yes.
Abangithanda ngoba ngibiza ngonqonqo.
Yes.
Mntazana othengisa F4 ku R573 ingwane ezigwalweko. Ubuhlo bona lapha.
Yeah.
Ngimlo.
Yes.
Obenzileko. Mthandosi.
Yes.
Ungaba yi-journalist wena noqalileko?
Kade ngikuthanda kuba yi-journalist. Bengithanda i-journalism ngaphambilini, mara ngi-operator more i-camera.
Oh.
So ngagcine ngifuna ukwenza i-camera esikolweni.
Okay.
But-ke ngokuba nechudu ngahlangana noVivi Ndlovu. Wathi no Mthandosi man ngathanda kwenza i-journalism.
Yeah.
Yabona. So i-journalism inamathuba ombereko. Mara isitshijilo sami saba ukuthi ngihubhulula indaba. Indaba zikhuluma indaba ezimnandi.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ngaba ukuthi no man mina ngifuna uku-enjoy ispace sala ngibereka khona smashes kine passion okwenza ihubhululo nokutlola nokudocument izinto mara ngifuna uku-enjoy.
Oh, okay. Yo, mina nami ngikuthanda. Mara bengazi kodwa ukuthi kuyafundelwa yabona ubudomo ngilobo. Because indaba ebezenzeka ngesikolweni. Indaba ebezenzeka ngesikolweni besikhamba nakuliwako besikhamba sokubuza. And then nithini lelani? Ubani wenzeni? Okay, bengithanda uhlezi phiwa kukwekwezi.
Uhlezi Sibanyoni.
Yes. So bengiba like bengizibona ngingihleziphi. Because nokujama lapha noxoxa hayi phela lo bambethela ukuthi uthethe iballpen akalo and ibhale khona I'm a storyteller. Now uyangazi nawe indaba ngiyakhona ukuyihlalisa ngibeke kuhle. Yes.
Namhlanje nesikhamba no
White. Mina ngazi ngo White. Sikhamba no White. Amanye lazo sibhalela.
White ku-Emmanuel Mthimunye. Kunomanziyana Mngoma. Mina-ke ekhethe emkhulu wami kwaMthimunye. So White i-independent journalist. So White wenza i-journalism esikolweni. So White na kanje mtloli, i-producer, i-journalist, independent journalist, el-provider ama-radio stations angaphansi kwe-SABC, amanye asijamela ama-radio stations ngendaba ezenzeka eMpumalanga ezenzeka kwaNdebele.
Uthi ukuthi kwaNdebele kuphela or nezinye
no ezenzeka eMpumalanga kakhulu because unzinze khona.
Okay.
Kodwa nakune stories interestako esenzeka from eGauteng uyakhona ukuthi nakakhona ukufika lapho aba provide again nakasihlole pass amanye ama news bayibiza ngokuthi i-news feed. Ubanikela indaba bazithatha from estory nasihlolileko yena.
Jebana. Sisikhamba no nenengagara. Sikhamba nesikhokho. Inja ye-game.
Jesa. Emmanuel kunjani?
Akwande Mahlangu, akwande sisincobile. Ngiyathokoza ukuthi nami ngimeme namhlanje eGood Life.
Siyathokoza.
Ka-features navane ngizithule ngithi ngingu-White uKosinathi kwaMthimunye namaziyana Mngoma isokana lethamba elisarla. Njengoba besowutshile Mahlangu kuliqiniso. Ngokwe-profession ngiyi-journalist ngafunda e-TUT eTshwane eSoshanguve North Campus. Ngomnyaka ka-2019. Bengingena ngenza i-diploma yami. 2009 ithatha 3 years i-diploma. 2019 2021 complete ngenza i-advance the following year. Advanced diploma. Chukuthi sengiyakhona ukuthi ngiyokwenza istory esifuna ilwazi elingeneleleyo like investigator so
Wow.
So ukhona ukubereka njenge-investigative journalism.
nje vele professional
Wow.
nje vele professional
Chester.
Hayibo.
akwenza lo
Yes.
so ukuthoma kwami i-journalism then ngo 2020
Yeah.
ubabula kuprofessor kwaMahlangu wangirecruiter
Ubokhona.
besithoma i-Fla FM
Yes.
Oh.
wangirecruiter weza wazongibawa ekhaya bekanande aposta ama-clickbait ukuthi i-Fla FM yenza so njalo njalo.
Yes.
weza wazongibawa ekhaya wathi no mthimunye mani ngibawa siberekisane ngathi okay ngine-laptop ngine-mic singaberekisana bekuthoma kwe-COVID
Oh yes.
yenza i-second year I
Yes.
remember
Obusesesikolweni.
yes
Okay.
I remember bengithi nangimenzela intori ezinye bengizenza ngiseries ebusuku ngiyarekhoda ngiyamthumela ekuseni unama-bulletin ku-news
Yeah.
Oh.
yabona so kwakhamba March senza istori senginyanga bekuma-traditional healers
Yeah.
because bebafila like i-government iyabavalela ekutheni bakhiphe mhlambe inhlahla zokuthi bangalapha ubulwele lo-COVID njalo sakuhamba sokwenza istori leso
Yes.
kade ngisi-hunter istori leso-ke phumile ngayosizingela njalo then ngo-2021
Yes.
ngayokwenza ama-practical e-Witbank News
Okay.
ngakhamba ngokwenza ama-practical cause koste ukuthi na ugraduate-ako kwabe wenza i-print or i-broadcasting so that nabakukhululako uya efieldini ngento sele uyazi
Okay, it makes sense.
yeah so emkhakheni lo we-journalism so far Mahlangu ngikhambile khambe khulu. I remember if I'm not mistaken it was 2020 September
Yes.
nangiyokucover istori sakho eBorders Shopping
Oh.
So Bode.
ngoba bengathomusa ukwenzeka ihlekelele
Yeah.
Oh
Some
yes.
abanye.
Gautrain.
bakucotha ngaphakathi kwe-Gautrain uyabona
Yes. Ngivunule net nje.
yebo then kwaba iBorders Shopping Center
Yeah.
Yes.
ngabona usesincobile apostile
Yeah.
uMy Mall
Yeah.
athi phuma ngapha yabona so
Yeah.
so kwaba ukuthi ngiyokwenza istori leso khumbulana ngikufonela ngithi Mahlangu kwenzakalani wathi Thimunye mina ngazi ukuthi inkinga yini
Yeah.
kwaba ukuthi ngifonela ubaba Elmont uPondo Mahlangu manje
Yes.
umntwana ekhethu nakenza so skipani
Yes.
what no siza kubona ukuthi isihlanganisa njani kwaba ukuthi kuyamobilizwa ke ngakhuluma nobaba uHotnot Masemula kuyamobilizwa I'm sure nawo wakucontact ke indaba kaThando Mahlangu yaba ikulu
Yabamba umlilo.
sakhamba sayiBorders Shopping Center
Yeah.
kwalumata from lapho ke so ka featuresana I'm a professional journalist and I'm very influential to
Yes.
Yes.
ama-journalist
That's the
asezayo
spirit.
Yes.
nala ngibuya khona eMpumalanga
True,
isehole
true.
I'm very very influential because now yokuthoma uthi who's Emmanuel Mtimunye
Yeah.
we-journalist sengikhambi ibanga elide
So now, Emmanuel, ngifuna sithome kuthomeni mara sofa ngendlela oyihlahlula ngayo iyankara. Yini into yakwenza waba ne-interest ngaphakathi kwe-journalism? Why ube ufuna ukuba yi-journalist?
angeke ngithi kwakukhona ukuthi ngibe i-journalist
Yes.
Okay.
mina I wanted to be a lawyer
Okay.
ihlizwa yami yonke
Yo.
yeah I wanted to do i-LLB ihlizwa yami yonke
Manje
Then-
switch.
Hey.
khona lapho bengimuntu othanda ukuzibona kumabonakude because ngiyakhumbula besikhamba sokushuta intori nabobaba machika umboza
So uya-acta noku-acta.
yes kunifunani
Yo.
Wow.
then kwenzeka ukuthi ngomnyaka ka-2017
Yes.
I was auditioning for i-Bones of My Bone beyidlala ku-SABC2
Oh yes,
yeah, yeah.
ngiyakhumbula ya.
then nasibhizi ngama-audition ka-audition e-State Theatre sakuhamba sayi-Randburg for i-second run
Yes.
ka-auditiona nasiceda ukucastiwa ukuthi ebaba phela nje sokuthoma ukushuta ngabo-April ubaba wathi Hlomo Sonyana kwawela ene yajama yonke
Yo, ndoda. Sebakhethe.
besithi nasidlalako isitori
mthimunye wasibulala
besithi
lamandebele nje mthimunye nganandrindrebele lange
so besithi nasidlalako isitori lesa kwabe ngiyasazi soko ukuthi nasisuka la
siyathi naswa mara
so ngakhe ngisho ukuthi
Yes.
ka featuresana i-TV bekuyinto yami yabona
so bekuwela yiphi inranga then
bekwela amasinga phela ifasimbe enzima yeba bekwela ingoma marehestru lapho
yo okay
So-
and then
to cut the long story short njengoba
Yes.
bese ngishilo ukuthi TV was part of my life
yeah
and then ngibukela ikhulu sinobaba every Sunday besibukela speak out
usahlala naye phasi biyere nibukela iTV
ufunedzeni ubaba ngibaba
besibukela speak out
Yes.
ngalesa sikhathi besingakakhatshwa nguDingane le uJames bekanguJames kumba
oh
yes,
yes
yes.
besikhatshwa ngusesivuyiso yeah namandla usesivuyiso
ne
then thanda ukubukela ne-checkpoint
oh yeah nami amashow lawo ngiyawathanda yes
current affairs vele bekuyinto zami
exactly nami
thanda ukubukela i-checkpoint sesinkepile mabusi
wena ungimi
yabona
uphila ngaphakathi kwakho yeah
thanda ukubukela i-checkpoint I think uthando lento le lathoma-ke ladevelopa ngathi nangithoma ngi-aplya i-TUT vele azange ngijikajike ukuthi ngenza
yeah
applyela for i-journalism fortunately enough bangithatha
yo
then ngimentorwa ngibani ngimentorwa ngibaba uvivi undlovu
yo
oh
ngimthola ku-Facebook
vivi ndlovu kasomakhawula amanje
sense
ngakara
first year ngo-2019
yes
ngimthola ku-Facebook bekasafunda indaba lokho
wow
yeah
then ngimthola ku-Facebook ngikhuluma naye wathi no ongipha amanamba umoya uphasi mana azange
akahlagisi
ongipha amanamba and then
Akahlagisi?
sakhuluma
next
vele next akanakinga
oh
sathoma sakhuluma-ke ku-WhatsApp-ke nangibhala amabulletin ngiyamthumela okay la lenze so vele waba imentor yami
Yes.
up until today nakunentori ezinye sele ngikhulakhulile ku-journalism
yeah
ngimthumela babuvivi kunestory nasi no mthimnye campus cover then bese-ke bayazenza-ke lapho kwe-SABC njalo njalo angeke ngithi bengifreelancele i-SABC net bekuthi nakunentori bese nanginaso ngimthumele atsho ukuthi last edit so la yenza so ngimthumele njalo njalo nakho lokho kwaba yinto engikhulisako kiwo
Yes.
nomkhakha lo
okay manje white ngizokuberegisa laka white
yes
ubungozi or ama-advantage onawo njenganje ngengimaphi bese ama-disadvantage kuba ngimaphi because enye nenye into iba ne-advantage ne-disadvantage ngasikhathi uthi ufuna ukuzo-interview uthando aba like I'm not interested
yes
how to deal with abo I'm not interested kube uyazi ukuthi kune-juicy story
eish ngibona ukuthi angathi I'm not interested ku-Emmanuel Mthimuni okay zikhona into ezinjengalezo ake sithome vane bathi we start with good news first
yes
before
yes
bad news.
yes yes
so asithome ngama-advantage
yes
kuma-advantage wami sesincobile kukuthi nje sengine-footprint strong
ne
kwa-journalism
oh nice one
empumalanga esehulu ku-bucket list yami
yes
yabantu engifisa ukuthi ngiba-interview
yes
sekusele ubaba uRomet Gumede kuphela
yo
unamanga
sele yena kuphela ku-bucket list yami unfortunately the black cat uzima wamkhumbula ubaba uTiti Mabuza
oh yes
ngalokho ngichaza ukuthi empumalanga esehulu umuntu engamcabanga wena ukuthi ukhona ngim-interviewe
mina okangi-interview
you can name them Thando Mahlangu. So you can name them
Yes,
especially ku-politics phela nawenza into le efana ne-journalism kumele uzichanele so that ukhona ukuba ne-audience yakho
exactly
yabona kumele ungasuki ube just a random journalist
oh
kumele uzichanele ukuthi mina i-audience yami abantu abaso angeke ngithi kuyokwenza i-entertainment ngiku-current affairs
yeah
it doesn't make sense manzi ne-ola kuhlangana so nangiyokwenza i-current affairs khulukhulu zindaba ezinabileko ngisho
Yes.
koste ngibe nabantu kupolitiki ngibe nabantu esipholiseni ngibe namakhosi abona abantu abanjengalapho channel line yami leyo koste ngibe lapho so okulula ukuthi nje ama-advantages wami i-footprint yami it's very strong
ya inamandla
you can call ukuphi Emmanuel kunestory esisona so who can I talk to if njengalesi sihlekelele le number 2 le
yes
le yesokani elisasolwa ngoba alikakagwetshwa ngisho
ya ngesikhona ithi allegedly
yeah sese suspect
Yeah.
okwanje ngoba akakagwetshwa ukuthi mara ngisho ibonakele into le abantu batholakele
Okay, kwenzekeni in that story?
la wena Thando Mahlangu
Yes.
kwalahleka isokana karabo katime
Kuphi?
number 2
Yes.
then kwaloko ke abantu bayangifonela mthimunye kunesokana nali lilahlekile ukhoya izinto njengaleyo
Yes.
no azange ngiyizwe because nje vele bengingasa report because bengingana la ngithumela khona indaba
Okay. Yes.
kancane bese ngizitshela ukuthi ngoba ijournalism ayingiberekile ngiyayehla but
Wow.
ngento oyikhulumako yama advantages footprint esenginayo stability esenginaso
yes
sekunento leyo ukuthi nakwenzakala so asifoneleni uEmmanuel Mthimunye maybe uyakwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani
Yes.
yabona so nami senginama source enginawo engiberekisana nawo yabona then bangifonela bathi Emmanuel kunendaba enje uyayazi angiyazi
Yes.
but let me do a thorough investigation ngibone ukuthi izikhipha
yes
so sokana la kwatholakala ukuthi lilahlekile bakhamba bayokukempa abantu ngezamini thuthu esikolweni
Okay.
lahlanu kwekhabo le suspect
La kwenzeke khona
Okay.
isehlakalo.
yes
so bakhamba bayokukempa lapho lokho ngiyasilandela istory lesi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi okay izikhiphana up until kuzokufika i-rescue unit ikhamba namapolisa ngezinja kwaba kukula ukuthi kuyokutholakala khona umufi lo yes kwaba kukula ukuthi kuyokutholakala khona umufi lo unfortunately umuzi wekhabo le suspect lelo uchisiwe yabona so going back to journalism
yeah
nase kunje mina ngingu-Emmanuel Mthimunye ngiyazi ukuthi koste ngikhulume nobukhosi bendawo
yes
ngiyazi ukuthi koste ngikhulume nekhansela about into enjengale ngiyazi ukuthi koste ngikhulume nomeya
oh
ubaba
yeah
uLiseja Dikhale
Okay.
ngiyazi ukuthi koste ngikhulume nobaba uSpeedy Mashilo
Yes.
Yeah.
because nguye oku-human settlement
yes
and nguye okukhokta as well
Okay.
ngisho i-MEC ku-human settlement and khokta
yes
then nase kukuthi mhlambe ingaphezulu kwamandla wabo kyokoste ngibhalele i-office laka minister umama uThembi Nkadimeni ku-minister we-human settlement esinayo so uyabona ukuthi nawenza umkhakha lo ngiyazi ukuthi ku-current affairs kumele ngikhulume nabantu lapho yayibona kumele ngikhulume nabantu lapho ukuthi nakusokwenzakalani then I do my investigation it's not the first time kwenzeka into enje
Yeah.
number 2 sekwesi2 namhlanje kutholakala ukuthi kunabantu benje
Mara asicedelele le man.
ijuice
Umza lapha uchisiwe. Umza lapha uchisiwe. Umuntu lo utholakele lapha. Okay, isuspect le beyikuphi yona. Kuchiswa umzwe khabo. Amaphoyisa la athola umzimba umntwana olahlekile kulokuphela namkhana atholakala nokhunye njani.
it is believed ukuthi kutholakele indumbu ezi3 ponga lesi saka Karabo
Emzini lo abawuchisile.
remember brackets
Yes.
it is believed
Alleged.
yeah
Yes,
yabona it is believed ukuthi kutholakele 3 emzimba le
sikhuluma ngomuntu ongangani la owenze isenzo esifana nalesi
angagijima lapha kubo singathi senzile akhe sithi okusolakala
yeah allegedly
i-forensic ukuthi vele into le yenziwe nguye
Yes, yes.
yasententswe nje ke sithi
umsolwa yeah umsolwa
angabalela lapha kuma early 30s 31 32 yabona thani bekukhonakala bengizokupha igama lakhe manje
Yey,
ngoba
usesemsolwa.
angikakavumeleki
Yes, yes,
Yabona?
yes.
angikakavumeleki so it is believed ukuthi kutholakele ngaphandle kwale kutholakele imizimba 83
ngaphandle kwalo lahleke emuva nje
ebekafuneka
so i4 yona all in all
all nayiyoke
yo
kuthiwo njalo mara esiwaziko nje
Yeah.
yabona
Mm.
so
Yeah.
sesenjalo mina
Yes.
ngingu-Emmanuel Mthimunye akuseseyinkinga ye-number 2 le
ne
sele ngili-journalist and investigative journalist akuseseyinkinga ye-number 2
yes
ke ngenza istory I think 2022 bengibhalela 2021 late
yes
bengibhalela i-Highveld Chronicles
yes
bayokwenza istory ema-E kunodade watholakala lapha alahlekile so wathi nakatholakala izitho zakhe zomzimba ezinye bezingekho khumbula ukuthi indaba le akusese nge-number 2 kuphela
yes
njengoba bengichaza ukuthi kunodade esayomthola ema-E naye abulewe walahlwa esigangeni
Yo.
then kwaba nodade I think it was last year or 2024 wayokutholakala evezobuhle alahliwe
ngiyikhumbula
udade we-Paul
yes
then kwaba notithere isibalo
Yes.
notithere
Teacher.
obuya eKwaga wayokutholakala eGemboko
Obuye eTofontein emanaleni. Yes.
lo ngomunye bese kwaba nobuya
oh yawuqinisile
kwaba nobuya emaG wayokudunyuzela kwakhe egeyidini
yo
Yo.
emaheshi wayokudunyuzela kwakhe egeyidini wabulawa
Mm.
so now uyabona ukuthi kwaba nomunye udade kodwa sayogubhulula ngevezibuhle
yo
i-boyfriend imbulele
yeah
and then yamgubhela then yasinda la imfake khona
Ah,
ngevezibuhle yabona ukuthi now into lesekwenzakalani
yeah.
seseyinkinga ye-number 2
To pair.
sekuyinkinga ethembisile
Exactly.
yabona ethembisile sesinobulwele lobu yabona kukula ngingu-Emmanuel Mthimunye ngibhalela i-office lakameya ukuthi ngiba i-interview nawe ke si-unpack into le ukuthi nakunje umasipala yena udlala yiphi indima ngoba indwezi zenzeka ngaphakathi komunicipality wakhe
yes
yabona do you go wena njengomeya uyakhuluma mhlambe nabo brigadier bama police stations ama station commander uyakhuluma nabo babuza ukuthi ama case asona so atholaka akuphi asolve kanjani phela indwezi zenzeka ngaphakathi you are the head of this house zenzeka ngemzini nakho yabona so that when we go to a state of the municipality address
Yes.
wena njengomeya nayo sitshela ngama development esekenzikako ethembisile ukuthi indlela ziyakhuliswa ini thina sima journalist sifuna ukwazi nokuthi ngaphakathi kwezinto ezenzekako ezimasikizi
yes
nidlala yiphi indima yayibona njani bese ke akhona ukuphuma naye ayemphakathini
yes
as address into ezinjengalezi ukuthi sinobulwelo obunjengalobu amapholisa kufuze kadlale yiphi indima now aphume we need more boots on the field yabona uyabhalela neoffice lakababa uSpeedy Mashilo MEC nakwenzakala so njengo MEC we human settlement neCocta siphuma njani I remember I once did this story kuno teacher bekafundisa eprimary eMakerana
Yeah.
hlala esinotlelo naye kwenzeka isika esinyengalesi ukuthi ngezwe ngobatsho cause azange afika ngayokubona lapha
Okay.
ngezwe ngobatsho ukuthi kwatholakala umntwana ngetoilet then kwakholelwa ukuthi ubulewe stepmother sika teacher lo teacher lo bekafundisa eMakerana I remember I once covered i-memorial service yakhe bebanjele evezibuhle
yomntwana lo
yaka teacher
Teacher.
cause teacher lo into leyenzeka wathi naka ekhaya yena njenga Friday wathi naka ekhaya umphakathi kanti usahlela then wangena lapho ke naye wakosta ukuthi abulawe naye umphakathi ke kwaba imob justice wabulawa so we went there with MEC Speedy Mashilo he's always there abantu laba njengama journalist kukulanga ngitsho khona ukuthi kunento esingayenzi ko right thina ama journalist
Okay.
yeah
yabona nakuza ama-elections they make sure ukuthi bayasifaka isungulu lokuthi guys sikhathi sama-elections
Yeah, they make sure.
yabona i-marketing team yabo iyakwenza lokhu sikhathi sama-elections why thina nasiba nenkinga thina ama-journalist not ordinary citizens
Yes.
because nje uzokubuza uthando Mahlangu ukuthi ngubani baku-speed akamazi ngubani u-MEC wento so akamazi
Yeah, well,
so
that's true.
but nawubuza u-Emmanuel Mthimbu ngiyangikosa ngemazi loyo muntu lo
Ne?
because uwithin ispace sami so kumude ekufuzeke ngiwenze njenge-journalist ukuthi ngiyomhubulula la khona eze emphakathini abantu bamazi nangiyokubuza uthando Mahlangu ngithi uyamazi u-MEC we-human settlement eMpumalanga akamazi uyamazi waku-Speedy Mashila iye ngiyamazi umazi njani ngulo okhipha ingoma uyabona ukuthi
Yiwo
and
wazi
angekhe
nje
ngakusola
ihlangothi.
angekhe
Yes.
ngakusola ngoba umazi ngaleyo ndlela wena as an ordinary citizen
True.
kukula ngena mina u-Emmanuel Mthimbu ukuthi ngizokwazisa yena ukuthi no lo muntu lo umuntu osoya eMpumalanga posti ngiyomhubulula la khona akhambele emphakathini yabona kube bengisese punctual njengalokho angireport surely ubaba umeya ukhansela research enumber 2 apha ngawufikile
Ne?
nekhodo emkobola le nakucover lesa story lesa ngawukhona ngayi-interview yakhe sinayo
Yo.
mara sele kunganamuntu omhubhulule nge-ofisini akunanto emtshisako kunento eziningi so hlangana nento eziningi akasikwize ini lokho kodwa
Yes.
kunobungozi
Yeah, sifuna ubungozi.
yabona kunobungozi ngiphephe kangangani
Yes.
Ne?
yabona ngiphephe kangangani I know if I'm working for a certain organization or a certain media house there is a protection
You're
there.
protected.
Mina nangingayi ukuyobahubhulula bazokuhujululwa ngubani for umphakathi
Oh, yeah.
uyayibona kufuzeke kuphume mina ngiyobahubhulula sikwazi ukuthola indaba ezo uyayibona ngiphephe kangangani mina I know ukuthi if I'm working for a certain organization
Yes.
ukuphepha kwami it's guaranteed
Ne?
but working as an independent journalist eish
Very risky.
Inobungozi.
yeah it's very risky ngingalahleka ngingathunjwa ngingadunyuzwa kunengo okungenzekako because endlebeni zikaThando Mahlangu or endlebeni zeGrootman uBobo nangiyokuphakela indabezi endlebeni zakanqobile Masuku wow I'm a journalist on the field soka niliyabereka le but umuntu owenze leso senzo leso kuye ngiba i-threat
Exactly.
kuye ngiba i-threat
So inzathu zokuthi ugcina uthatha isiqundu sokuthi i-journalism le ngiyayilisa.
Yeah,
Ngiyayilisa ukuzijamela kungebanga lokuthi umberegweni lo awukaphephi. Ene ugcine uhubhulula nezinto abantu abangafuni zivele.
yeah nakho lokho kungezinye zenzathu ezenza ukuthi ngizibone ngiyilisa ngiyayithanda yona ngifuna ukukhuluma mali and I'm very very good at it
Yes.
Yeah, well, that's true.
yeah so yona ngiyayithanda mara inobungozi yabona and ubungozi bakhona akusibungozi lo babo ukuthi bungafaka mina ngedwa bungafaka nobuningi kungakho uthola amanye ama-journalist anabonogada it's not because they want to
Sewona unokati
yeah
like abomzilikazi wa Africa so.
nabo bonkepile mabuse bagadiwe
Yeah, no, because umbereko wakhe yi-investigative journalist.
yeah bagadiwe so enye into engiyibonileko ukuthi siyayenza kulo mkhakha thina esama-journalist angazi ukuthi it's a lack of knowledge or sesizitshela ukuthi siyazi or sizitshela ukuthi sispecial or njani angazi
Okay.
we wanna be ama-journalist lawa amenywako
Oh. Like awusi journalist lelo lithi una something eyenzakalako lapha khe ngiye without ukuthi uthole
that's Emmanuel Mtimunye if there's something I go there then there's Ncobile Masuku so lanka kungakaphumi call I'm not going there
oh
yabona for example siya komjekejeke nje
yes
there's an invitation iphumile ukuthi sibawa ama-journalist ezazokureport coverage ye-story leso sokuphuma ngobuningi
yes
why besingakaphumi ngobuningi nakuzwakalako ukuthi kunamasokana afunekako lawo ama-twins afunekako why besingakaphumi ngobuningi because kunomuntu ubhubhile lapho
Masukana wama-twins afuneka kunjani?
elinye libanjiwe batsho ngeWestern City
Okunesinye story
esinye sama-twins
so ngizama ukuhighlighta ukuthi ngathi batsho bahijack umuntu bamkidnap and then ekugcineni wagcina lobo impilo yakhe yabona so azange ngisilandelele anginaso kangaka ngisazi semaruma sengwazwayo yabona ukuze ngibe nokuthi ngikhulume ngaso there is this Facebook page engilandelako imbonani hub
yes
very reliable source
Oh.
very reliable source so if sima journalist sikhona sorry ngakwaNdebele ngePumalanga
yes
then singafuna uku-invite sibe more on the field baningi abantu abazokuvela ekufuzeke ukuthi umphakathi ubazi nobugebengu bungathlayela
Really?
yabona cala musingendaba leya yevali yabantwana abakwenzeka ingozi beba esikolweni lapho bantu bayimpilo zabo
yeah
ubonile ukuthi media coverage ibeyiningi kangangani
true
because it's Gauteng and lokho kwamphutsha uPremier uPanyaza Lesufu ukuthi ayokufika nemndenini wabantu lapho kunento that coverage bonile izulu lenzeni bogiyani le yabonile spread le Minister of Culture was there
because of the coverage
because
Minister of Human Settlement was there umam Thembi Simelane was there yabona Babu Speedy Mashilo was there because lapha Capricorn ikhona Malelani Gazette ikhona
Energy FM nice there
they are there on the field so kunento ezokuphutsha abantu labo ukuthi go and interact with the people on the ground umphakathi ufuna ngine nisijameleko ningaveli nakuza ama-elections kuphela because nakuza ama-elections for example my father will be like umeya uyeza uzokukhuluma nabantu e-ofisini athi abazosikhohlisa konje umeya loyo ngubani it's very painful it's very painful khona ngingendlini ngilijournalist baba kamazi umeya ngubani then yini ubereko wami ku-journalism
yes
because ngenza ama-means ukuthi loyo muntu loyo ngiyamkhipha e-ofisini azokukhuluma nabantu khamba uye enkolweni ubabuze ukuthi who's your mayor ethembisile
bazine
some bamazi njengama-awards nakwenziwa ama-mayoral awards and ngine-show ukuthi waziwe ngilabo ebebaye ukuyocollecta lawo ma-awards
yes
it's very painful mara abo-Adolf Hitler ngiyasazi isitori sabo the late Nelson Mandela nemthombeni ngiyamazi ngingakutshela nomlando ngaye ngingakazi ngihlangane naye it's very painful
yeah
he's an icon yes we have to respect him futhi siyamhlonipha utata but ekugcineni laba bekhaya bakhe basirepresentako sikuphi thina ama-journalists sibakhiphe i-youth ibazi particular individuals babazi sikuphi thina
so Emmanuel umberego we-journalist uqakatheke kangangani and begodu i-journalist li-understand ukuthi li-journalist
yo Thando
yes
yabona imberego iqakathekile yonke mara we-journalist iqakatheke khulu
so ul-advise abantwana ukuthi benze i-journalism esikolweni why
I would do that because sele ngiyikhambile indlela le akunakuthi ungathola iGrootman ilifocus libukele ukhokho Melon lifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekani ezweni eliphila kilo khumbula ukuthi umuntu lo ubhadela i-tax ufuna ukwazi ukuthi imali ayibhadile yakho liyapi ye-tax le khumbula ukuthi umuntu lo ukhulile unabantwana bakhamba esikolweni ufuna ukwazi ukuthi abantwana baphatheke njani esikolweni ufuna ukwazi ukuthi endleleni bakhamba njani naye ufuna ukuzazi ukuthi uphephe kangangani la khona la kungena khona i-journalist likwazi ukumphakela izinto ezinjengalezo yabona just imagine ukube besiphila i-bush life we don't know ukuthi what's going on awazi ukuthi namhlanje izulu lizokuna awazi ukuthi namhlanje kuzongena kuzoba nemingenela sokusahlelwa but now ne-journalist into ezo uyakhona ukuzazi
so now sine-challenge sinesitshijilo thina sisitshaba samaNdebele lapha kuhlala khona amandebele.
Okay.
Ngoba izinto ezenzeka kwaNdebele they are not covered.
Exactly.
For example, uzokubukela itelevision namkhana ulalela iradio, they always report about something eyenzeke Eastern Cape, Western Cape, Gauteng. Kwenzeka kayi-1 uthola ba-reporta something eyenzeke Witbank or eyenzeke number 1.
Nakhona kuba yi-surprise.
Yeah, nakhona kuba yi-surprise because
umkhasho nje nawo kane yakwazi
you understand, we only hear izinto ezenzeka ngekhethu kuKwekwezi FM kuphela. So now uzizwa kuJacaranda, uzizwa
kweminye imirhatsho,
keminye imirhatsho, uzizwa kubo Radio 2000, uzizwa bo Metro, uba like yeah now uthoma ukuyithatha serious into eyenzeke ekhaya.
We understand.
So now into le is ungathini ngayo wena njenge journalist elinzinze khona ngayo?
It's very painful Mahlangu.
It must be.
It's very painful because ukwenza kwami story lesi number 2, posting on Facebook, taking abombonani hub,
yes,
taking abo identical force. Kunobhuti nangu most of the time ureportela i newsroom if it's safe ukuthi
Mweli
kimbonile apostile ukuthi police have discovered this. Ngabona ukuthi wow, if Newsroom Africa can do this,
yes,
then sibethwa yinti.
Exactly.
Beka bo Emmanuel Mtimunye on the field. Balinde
invitation ukuthi come and cover. Why is that? Why ungabe na this thing le ukuthi cause I'm a journalist ngumbere kwami ukuthi ngiyokhuphulula.
Phela wona sesinqobi
into noyibona ku social media ube like ku social media rinalokho ke ngilandelela indaba le ke ngibona ukuthi liqiniso na kuphalaphi.
Ene phela ukhumbule ukuthi la kwa journalism kuma elements wakho kuma elements we journalism.
Yes.
Kunala sifundiswa khona ukuthi you need to have nose for news.
Exactly.
You need to have what?
Nose for news.
Nose.
Yeah, ube nokunukelela. You have to be a watchdog.
Oh ne.
Yeah, yes. Ma elements wakho lawo.
Yes.
Don't be a sitting duck journalist.
Wow.
Ungalinda ukuthi wena ufonele kuthiwa izokukhava.
Yeah. Uzwile mara kune story sinje while you are journalist, social media yakho must search those things with okay.
Esikhathini esiningi. Vane ngisho ne ukuthi there is a difference. Nangibukele indaba.
Yes.
Then uthola ukuthi ngibukele indaba ezighatshwa Inqobile TV nendaba ezighatshwa Ithando Mahlangu TV.
Yes.
Ne? Then kunendaba ezighatshwa komunye kodwa umghatsho. Mhlambe it can be your newsroom, it can be your ENCA or what.
Yes.
Lapho kuba nento leyo ukuthi nawubukele taking for example indaba eyenzekileko le nge-number 2 or indaba eyenzekileko le ekwakha le yabantwana ebebatoyitwela.
Yeah.
I didn't go, I don't know much about that story, but mina njenge journalist nangibukeleko or umuntu ekhaya nakabukeleko indaba ye-number 2 nakuswe court lapha nange Emmanuel Mtimunye uyareporta imphumela ye-court la ku screen sakho e-TV la siba i-clickbait yokuthi abantu laba kuze sifike court ukwenzakaleni kune rescue unit yezinja siyazibona lapho koste sizibone
into yes
ukuthi kutholakele umuntu abhubhile nange lapha ine body bag
ngiyabonakala
ne rescue unit na umphakathi ukhona then usirepotela into ekhona mara uyosirepotela into ukuthi ecourt okwenzakale so but sibona umphakathi ecourt sikholwe ngani kinento leyo mina ukuthi ngikholwe ngani but nangiyokubukela ku newsroom. I remember I was doing a story lesi se Hinops. Hinops mlambo lo ose Centurion if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
La kwatholakala ikoloyi yamapolice. Ubrigadier Atlande Mathe nakakhulumako nanoma sebam interviewer aku private space yakhe. La umuntu editako la ku screen uyasivezela ikoloyi liya nase vele iyadosa ngama. That's a nice bulletin. You are giving us what we need to see, what we need to consume. Sengiyazi ukuthi when I'm going to be glued ku screen time ngibukela indaba, I need to expect such.
Okay.
But if ngiyokuya lapho nge-invitation, ngingasithola siphelile lesi story. Then what's the use ukuthi ngiye lapho?
So now Emmanuel, uyi-journalist elizijameleko, ngimaphi ama-politicians owakhe wawa-interviewer and ngilabo wakhe waba-interviewer bo-prominent people ngibapha abakunikela isitshijilo?
Abanekraga.
Manje la kuvumelekile ukuthi umuntu awase
Kawase.
Hawo ngos. Yehlisa vele.
selithosi madoda.
Yeah.
Ha? Banengi thanda ngiba interview leyo.
Yes.
But the one that can make a life of a journalist be difficult.
Ngiba ukumguess.
I'm guessing.
Yabona mina osengqondweni nami nje kungaba kuJulius Malema or uFloyd Chibambo. Hayi mara uFloyd akangekho ahlula uJulius Malema.
uFloyd nangizom interview ngengwenyameni amakhosi wakhe.
Yes.
He was very polite. Lokho nakazoku introduce a political party yakhe.
Oh.
I remember I did that story. He was very polite, very right man. Silo Julius Malema. Hayi.
Akwenza was question.
Hayi.
Ngiyamkhumbula ngisese ku AFC Youth League.
Hayi. Ngobile.
Yeah.
I was doing this story. Saka mama ubusisiwe Mkhwebane.
Yes.
Ubaba Hot Not Masemula.
Yes.
Beka lo we umuntu siphambili wa-IPO.
Oh yes.
Beka lwelwa ukuthi kuba yini naMkhwebane atreatwe ngendlela enjengale.
Oh.
Then sakhamba saya e-Union Building. Sakhamba saya e-Union Building. I was doing that story. Siyokusa inlilo.
Yes.
Ngakho lokho.
Yes.
So when we got there, no Julius Malema naye. EFF bekhona immobilization ebeyenza ngathi kulokho ama-sithaba samakhoyisana isikhempile lapho.
Oh yeah.
Manje baseselapha.
Hayi. So I went there nobaba Hot Not. Lapho azange ngaba nethuba enough lokuthi ngim-interview the way bengifuna ngakhona.
Yeah.
But lelo thuba nyana elincane. You will feel him. You will feel him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Malema akamind ukukutshela ukuthi go and do your research.
Yeah.
You didn't do enough research.
Yeah.
So when you go to that person,
Hey
baba,
Milube.
Bereke ndewazi ukuthi yokwenzani.
Kufanele ube ready.
Silebele sithi wami ngambili.
Yeah.
Ene esikhathini esiningi usuke akutshele iqiniso ngoba usuke uba hype ukuthi ngi-interview umuntu osovele ngiyomhla. Awuzokuhamba.
Oh, humble yourself.
Yeah.
Awuzokuya kabuthaka lapho.
Yeah.
Lapho uzokuya kabuthaka lapho. Okunye vane ngimmadanise no MEC we health eMpumalanga.
One.
Umama Sasekane Manzini. Yabona le ngikhuluma. Nawe awazi ukuthi ngibani.
Waso
Ngiyamazi Sasekane
Manzini.
Manzini.
Mina esi-journalist ngime kumele
ngoko sudlala indima le.
Umama Sasekane Manzini nawe yakuye iyakabuthaka.
Yeah.
Ngamweli.
Ngamweli star.
Lapho umlambo uthwele ingodo iyakabuthaka. Yabona?
Yeah.
Yakho uye kabuthaka lapho uzi-introduce ukuthi ngibani uvela kiphi publication.
Ngiyambona.
Yeah, vele
Kuthi tokwendani la? Bani wena?
yeah.
Tokwendani la?
Keep itag yakho uye kabuthaka.
njengoba ngike ngaveza ngaphambilini ukuthi sinesitshijilo sokuthi indaba ezenzeka la ngizenze khona amandebele azisi properly reported or they are not reported at all.
Yes.
Ne? But currently sine Flare FM, sine Mpumalanga Press, sine Mutse Community Radio, sine Nakekelo FM,
Kangala,
sine KCRS FM, yes, Kangala Community Radio Station, and then sine konje yini lesikwa sine Kutane, ne? Kodwana akubonakala ukuthi izinto ezenzeka emphakathini ziyayithola iphaba namkhana ama station la or ama-media houses siwabaluleko la achoda ngani ukuthi indaba zethu nathi abazirepotako bona zibamba umlilo
ziba out
ziye
there.
nationally and international.
Thando noSesincobile khulu
Yeah.
sifuneka abatshali bemali
Okay.
then okunye ngisabuyelela
Yeah.
let us stop ukuba ama-journalist
invitwa.
let us
Okay.
be there
On the
Yeah.
ground
now
level.
ungathi uyaqala i-Flav M gained i-momentum
Yes.
ngendaba ye-Boulders shopping center.
That's correct. Yes.
It became very massive
Yeah.
because there was a journalist on the field.
Ne.
Let us be there, let us be visible.
Oh yes.
Je kuza kuze komjekejeke
Yes.
ama-radio stations la ama-publications la akahaye lapha ayokukempa lapha no mina ngimuntu omunye ukuthi nangifika egeyidini ngakhipha i-press card angekho ngijikise
Yes.
ungijikisa njani
Mm.
nanoma ngingekho ku-list yakho leya mara ngalikhipha ngathi nali legit kose ngifake
Exactly.
ngiyokukhava la
Yeah.
ngiyayibona
Ne.
ngalokho ngizokwaziwa and then nangaziwako ne-media house engiyiberegelako izokwaziwa nayaziwako abatshali bemali bayakwazi ukutshala into le iyakhula then indaba zangakwandebele zithoma ukuvela yayibona
Yeah.
because kubuhlungu Sesincobile ukuthi kuyokuthiwa kutholakala umuntu e-4way ubhubhile then kube nomunye othi bahlale batholakala
Yeah, it's very painful.
kube bengikhona ngakhava into le yabonakala then nabatshali bemali bokhona ukubona ukuthi sinomkhakha lo musi
Oh yeah.
then umuntu can buy i-prime time slot athi ehlelweni lendaba ezinabileko ngiba uku-advertise ibhizinisi ami
Yes.
Oh.
utshalile imali lapho
Yes.
then nawutshalileko uneslot lapho
Mhm.
the more i-marketing team yakho izokuthi i-podcast ethize i-advertiser lapho unabalaleli bakho esibhizinisi une-audience yakho na uyokuzwakala lapho nangiyokuzwakala ku-prime time slot sinomrhatsho also kwaNdebele kuyavikeleka uyakhula uyandlondlobala okunye ekufuneka kakhulu sifundo bandulo ama-workshops
Yeah.
thina ama-journalist sinenkinga yokuthi nangifika endaweni kumele bangifile ukuthi nge-Emmanuel Mthimbu
Oh.
Oh, they must feel you. ukuthi
but
ukhona.
nasingaba nesifundo bandulo i-KSRS mhlambe ke kwenziwe i-camp yabona
Yeah. So,
KSRS ize nabantu bayo i-Flav M ize nabantu bayo mhlambe ke inakekelo
Kutane,
yayibona,
njalo.
sinesifundo bandulo siyaya siyokuhlangana lapho mhlambe we are camping for 2 days 3 days then i-SABC yokuthumela nabo la bese bakhona esisobabona ukuthi okay you can be like Crisalda Lewis
Hey.
yabona
Yeah.
nami ngibe nento le ukuthi sima journalist this is not a crime
Kusho ukuthi nani?
and siyazana uyabona phela lokho engenza ama-practical e-Witbank News i-Witbank News bekuba namalanga la siyokuhlangana khona neMalahleni FM
Okay.
uyayibona siyahlangana nje ababiki bendaba ama-editor kuyahlangana namanye ama-department ayahlangana siyazana
Okay.
nasifika enitorini sesiyazana khona nokungifonela emuna kunestory kupha sikhambe sokukhava emuna kunestory kupha sikhambe sokwenza
Yeah.
nangiphuma e-Witbank News i-internship yami iphela bangi-headhunt eMalahleni FM emuna siyakwazi bobereka lapha iza bengirani current affairs eMalahleni FM
Oh.
nangiphuma eMalahleni FM nasi la iseneli spread iMpumalanga TV yangifonela remember ngifonela kwathi ngibani that guy ngusikhokho wangifonela temona we know you are a journalist ubuya from a Witbank News wa eMalahleni FM siyakwazi from a Highfield Chronicles siyakwazi from endele a Timeless News
Wow.
we need you to join the team kune stability lapha
Yes.
yayibona sesiyazana ama-workshop ayafuneka and kuyafuneka nokuthi singafuni ukuba invited ngizwe ubuhlungu evezibuhle undaba ezitha inkosi uSipho Sezwe Mahlangu uMahagi wesibili bekavakatshele isikolo iHlonipha secondary school not so long ago ukhansela wangifonela wathi Mthimoni sibawa uyosicover kwatholakala ukuthi ke nami ngisetohweni la ngibamba khona yayibona ngoba angekhe phela ngihlale ngithi ngilinde call yangafiki
Yes.
Yeah.
that story was not covered.
Yo.
Okay, Jama. Ngiyalahleka. Ethembisile esehall nguwe wedwa i-journalist or akhona amanye or sekuya ngokuthi bafuna ubani ukuthi azokucover story.
Singasho sithi kuya ngokuthi bathande ubani azocover story. Bakhona ama-journalist sikhona sibaningi. Bakhona nengisabagurumako abakhona e-TVT. Bakhona nabanye ngabasaka e-Flair FM. Now they are very good. Sikhona sibaningi.
Niyacacheka mara ke sesikhuluma ukuthi unothe umntwana it's good ukuthi akhambe ayokwenza i-journalism. Uyacacheka na?
Yeah, uyacacheka ungacacheki ne-Bruce Cup ikhona. So let us not shy away from nepotism.
Bruce Cup.
Okay. Yini bullets?
I-Bruce Cup nepotism umzala.
Oh ne.
Let us not shy away from that. Nepotism it's there. Yebo? Nepotism it's there. Kuyenzeka uthi ubukele indaba uthi mara la kubi bulletin le behenzwa umuntu so.
Oh.
It was going to be better.
No lapho right.
Oh, okay.
No le yenziwa.
Story lesi sikhona. Siyacacheka. Nethi kugcwele nepotism.
Ne.
Inengi nepotism. And ngenye yento yenza ukuthi smart journalist singakhuli, ngenye yento yenza ukuthi indaba singaveli.
Okay.
Phela for example, kesithi njengo yabona la sikuphi.
Yes.
We are far away from home. Then in our studio, good life, sirani current affairs. Kuzongikhosta ukuthi nakwenzeka into nje ngikhambe ngekhaya. Then ngibuye ngizoyenza la. How about gibe namalanga engiza ku studio ngawo. I-journalist alidingi office. Office lakho lisendleleni.
Yeah.
Provide me with my laptop and camera. I go and cover the story. Ngibuya ngiyas-edita, ngisifaka ku Google Cloud, ngiyasithumela.
Umweli Masilela ubereka njani? Because operator from Nelspruit.
Precisely.
Then when ushuthi uthoka if maybe ula kwenzeka isehlakalo ekhaya koste ube nomunye ozokhona ayokukhavarela story or akhonakala.
Kuyakhonakala ukuthi wenze njalo. Then loyo muntu loyo nakafika akasicover istory leso. Angasikhavi ngendlela wena Ncobile Masuku ufuna ukuthi sibe ngakho.
Kenze.
Kube nama missing elements ukuthi yo mara kube ubuze umbuzo so. Uyakhona ukumbhalela umuntu iscript. Ukuthi ngibawa ama question asona so. Athi nakafika lapho. Njengami esikhathini esiningi. Bengikhona ukuthi okay ngisende i-journalist mhlambe ngithi Nelisiwe Sikhosana ubhalile Highveld. Nazi istory. Go into the story. Kuza uNcobile Masuku umbuzo sona. Nakafika lapha only to find ukuthi uNcobile Masuku nakafika kwendaweni le akayazi indawo leyo naye ubhalela iscript. Yo. Journalist kumele libuye kimi manje ngenza njani? What if angisatholakala efonini awusena alternative? Uyokubuza uNcobile Masuku imbuzo le abhalile kuyiphendula.
Oh.
You see Emmanuel mina engikuchejileko ke journalism nama journalists esinawo. So ngizoyithatha always ngiyidose ngiyibuyisele ekhethu. eMandebeleni. eMandebeleni I think we have more presenters than ama-journalist, you know, because kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu uyamuzwa ukuthi mhathi ne but akakhona ukubuza the right questions. It's either use studio or uku ground level, yabona. I think mina mostly ba good in terms of reporting. Angazi ukuthi ngibeka kuhle.
Nama reporter
Possibly, but not people abenze i-journalism on a ground level or abane experience there. Yabona? So now ngibuyisa ekutheni uyi-independent journalist and yet akuna organization ethe nangumuntu good siyawathola ama-stories uyayabhala awahatshe namkhana bekawa edite namkhana awatlole besa supplyele why until now you're not part of any news organization.
Maybe ngasuke ngafaka ama-horror club mina. Sometimes nginokuziblame mina.
Yes.
Mhlambe ngasuke ngafaka ama-horror club. Ngathi ngifuna ukuzibona e-SABC.
Ne.
Yabona? So ama-offer azile. I won't lie.
Okay, yes.
Ama-offer azile. Yabona? Ngaba nento le ukuthi so lanka ngasise SABC,
Ufuna ukubereka for a public broadcast.
I'm not going anywhere. Ngifuna ukuzibona ngilapha. Mina ngakela ihlangothi. I don't know about abanye. Kani ngiyazilimaza. I remember ngithola i-offer e-KZN.
Yo.
Emanzi Mtoti.
Yes.
Ukuthi ngizoba i-reporter that side. It's a publication ukuthi ngiyokubhala iphepha lapha.
Yes.
I know how to write an article. Ngiyakwazi uku-edit iphepha.
Yes.
Into leyo ngiyifundele ngiyayazi. I turned down that offer.
Yo.
Yabona?
No, I understand.
Ngoba nginengcondo ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzibona ngise-SABC. Yabona?
Ne.
Ngifuna ukuzibona ngilapha mina. Kani ngakelinye ihlangothi mhlambe mina ngizilimazile mina. Yabona? Ama-offer azile wona.
Yes.
Up until phela Thando, I'm almost 6 if not 5 years experience.
Yo.
Emkhakheni lo.
Yo.
Babu Speed ngim-interviewile.
Yes.
Umama nje uyi-Deputy Minister of Correctional Service. Lindiwe Ntshali.
Yes.
Interviewile. Former Premier eMpumalanga umama uRifile Mthweni-Tsipane ngim-interviewile.
Yes.
Remember kwa ngibuza ngabantu ngiba-interviewile.
Oh, yes.
Balela bona ke nje.
Yes, sir.
Ubaba uMandla Msibi.
Yes.
Interviewile. Baba uMduduzi kaMswati, speaker eMalahleni ngim-interviewile.
Yeah.
Premier eMpumalanga ubaba uMandla.
Mandla
Ndlovu.
kunomandla Msibi nomandla Ndlovu.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ngim-interviewile.
Yes.
Yo, baningi. Former President Jacob Zuma ngim-interviewile ubaba Mamalala. Mama uNothembi Mkhwebana ke ngakhuluma naye.
Yes.
Current President ngim-interviewile ubaba Ramaphosa.
Yo.
Aw.
Dean McPherson, Minister of Transport and Infrastructure.
Yes.
Ngim-interviewile.
Yo.
Lo we-DA lo yangibani? John Steenhuisen. Baba Steenhuisen ngim-interviewile.
Oh.
Mama uJane Sithole ngalesa sikhathi bekayi-spokesperson se-DA eMpumalanga.
Yes.
Ngim-interviewile ku-politics. There are many of them. Then nasiza emkhakheni wezesipholisa umama Brigadier Atlande Mate ke ngakhuluma naye.
Okay.
Ubaba Major General uDr Zef Mkhwanazi.
Yes.
Ngim-interviewile acting professional police yala eMpumalanga.
Yes.
Ngim-interviewile naye. Yo. Thando baningi.
Uyakhumbula kuke kabana nala abantwana bekhaya bakhamba khona bokulala e-Union Building basho kufuneka isitimela isizokuhamba la.
I was doing that story.
Moloto Rail Corridor.
Yes, Moloto. So now, how do you feel ukuthi isitimela asisazokuhamba la? Siyokusuka from Johannesburg to Musina to what is this?
Limpopo.
Venda. Musina to Venda bese sisuke go to siye eKZN while nathi la kwaNdebele besikhona on the program yesitimela ukuthi sizokusuka sizokuhamba la sichinge eLimpopo.
Yabona,
what's your take?
It's very painful. It's very painful because sazi past phezulu I was covering that story. Nabo bothando Mahlangu labo nabo Sikhumba la Masango. Nabo babu Hotnot Masemule. I was doing that story. I know very well. Season in hashtag we need Amandebele on TV.
Yes.
I was doing that story. I know very well. So now it's painful. Ne? But now iqala ngelihlo lokuthi ngiyintatheli. Ngingaba nokuthi kunokudlelezelwa kwangakaNdebele.
Correct.
Ngibuye ngithi isitimela asikayo kufuneka kangako because sesine development ye-Sanral nasindlela ziyakhuliswa ngibe nokuthi mhlambe ukukhuliswa kwendlela kuzokuceda ingozi zendlela because the motive behind this ngakwaNdebele ukuthi abantwana bekhethu bayaphela endleleni ngenxa yentuthu zendlela nembhesi abakhamba ngazo, not to mention names because sizozi implicate yabona. So indlela iyakhuliswa but omunye angabuya icale ngokuthi ukuza kwesitimela bekuyokuletha amathuba womsebenzi.
Exactly, and bathi isitimela si cheaper than ibhesi.
Bekuyokuletha amathuba womsebenzi, bekuyoba nabantu bokuthengisa station.
We understand.
Ichihobe yokuphela ngendlini. Yabona. So yona it's a very painful thing. Ngoba akusiko ukuthoma indaba yokuthi isitimela sizokugegeda bese kufika nevenda le. Ubaba uHot Not Masemula ke ngasikhaba siyamahlandla naye kaningi manje union building for nambi silwela nayo indaba le.
Yes.
Yabona. Was covering that story. iAipo ilwela indaba le ukuthi kuba yini isitimela sizokugegeda ngakwaNdebele. Ayithobi namhlanje. Na ungathi uyayilandelela bazokutshela ukuthi ebebakhona lokho mhlawumbe njengabo Sibundebela abo Matthew Phosa bayisayinela into le, mhlawumbe abo former president uJacob Zuma bayisayinela ukuthi imloto rail corridor ibe khona. Angeke sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. I didn't do research that much based on that thing. Yabona, but yona kuno dlelezelwa nyano obunye khona ngaphakathi. Yabona. So mhlambe bangabuya basibethe ngeswazi lincane but isitimela sani ngoba indlela ziyakhuliswa.
Mara siyazibona ukuthi zikhona indlela, mara kune metro rail, kune Gautrain, kuna amateksi, kunembhesi ezingakuthwala zikubeke
ngeJohannesburg. La kufuze ke kungene khona ama stakeholders wangakaNdebele wePumalanga kube ngiwa isukumelaka into le. Remember I'm a journalist angeke ngayisukumela.
Exactly.
You can only cover.
Yabona, and do investigation yami ukuthi kwenzakaleni ukuthi singasisi. Yabona, nangiyokuvela ngi-investor ngithi mina ngatshala imali engaka ukuthi isitimela sisibe khona. Ngiyakwazi ukuyok-interview ngithi imali yakho le yephi? Uyiphakamela into le. Ngasuke ngayiphakamela mina. Ngazidosela amanzi ngomsele.
Alright. Nase sisonga ke nje Emmanuel.
Yes.
Camera khonasya saba ukukhulume nama media houses, ma publications, could be ngezihlolako zikhipha amaphepha namkhana igize digital namkhana broadcasting whether radio television, ngeba ukukhulume nabo nokuthi bakuthola njani, bakuthola kuphi, because they need you currently. I-journalism ekhona nama-journalist akhona njenganje abawenza umbereko wakho uqakatheke ngebanga lokuthi uzokukhavara enye ingcenye eMpumalanga, because nje we have only uMweli Masilela ukhavara into eyenzeka eMpumalanga kodwa na ukhavara konje bathini ehlangothile Nelspruit kuyale.
It's not him alone.
Yes.
Comfort Masombo ukhona.
Comfort, it's more of a reporter for me than a journalist, because now sikhuluma ngomuntu ongahubhulula izinto, someone ongakhuluma izinto ezenzekako, yabo, but he's a presenter for me, to be honest.
I know ibeka ngaleyo ndlela ibanzima shukuthi ama journalist asinaw,
which is true. Yes,
now ibeka ngaleyo ndlela. Okay, sele sesisonga Mahlangu nethimba lakho.
Akhuluma njengama politician bano interview.
Singijwayele wona. Nakadiwe ngokucover into i-event ke ajiva lapho. Abantu bazikhamulele. Kungabanzima for me. Singajwayele ukuthi all protocol observed.
Okay.
So sele sesisonga.
Yes.
Mina ngango Emmanuel Mtimunye. Engakuchoko kuma media house.
Yes.
Ama publications as a whole.
Yes.
Ukuthi asizameni ukuthi thina ama journalist. Let's be on the field. Let's be on the ground. Asilisten into yokuba ma invited journalist. Let's be on the field. Lento le ama politicians ayenzayo ukuthi asihlome isungulu lokuthi ngesikhathi esiso sikhathi sama vote asiyenzeni nathi.
Oh.
Let's be on the field and silisten nokuthi sibe nokunyazana. Let's be equal. Because at the end of the day, you can never do journalism without being in a team. It needs teamwork.
Ne.
Yes, it needs teamwork. Ngiyakwazi ukwenza istory esise Witbank ngisekhaya because I know who to contact. So, asihloniphaneni sibe on the field, report, investigate, and then senzeni izinto accurate. Okhunye nase ngisonga la ngitholakala khona mina enomborweni zomkhala if it's safe ukuthi ngisibize.
Yes.
Uyangithola lapha ku 076 3344 ngingu-Emmanuel Mtimunye. Uyangithola lapha ku 0677 38 1041 1047. Uyangithola
Ibuyelele le.
ku 0677 38 1047. Uyangithola lapho. Then ku Facebook uyangithola nakhona ngu-Emmanuel Mchayise. Emmanuel White Mchayise. Emmanuel White Mchayise. Uyangithola lapho. Kukula indaba zami ngizisabalalisa khona ngobuningi. Uyangithola ne-page le KwaNdebele News.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Lapho vane ngifake khona intori engizikhavileko ngobuningi nengizikhava. Uyangithola lapho. Asizameni ukuthi singacaleleli ngaphandle khulu. Sithuthukiseni KwaNdebele. Ama-journalist asenzeni umberego wethu. Siliseni ukuba invited journalist. Sibereke sireport indaba ezinabileko ngendlela ekufuneka ngakhona.
Njenganje asikhulume nabo ukuthi baqatshe. Ngimapha ama-skills onawo ene ngimapha amachukuluko ozowaletha lapho.
Kuningi.
Yeah.
Hey ngicatshanywa.
Qache.
Qachi.
Jokes aside.
Yes.
Ama-skills enginawo ku-journalism.
Yeah.
Sizokuthoma ngama-skills we-interpersonal.
Yeah.
Ngobumina. Nginama-skills ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu. I know how to deal with a difficult person.
Yes.
Yeah. And then ngiyakwazi ukulalela umuntu.
Yes.
I have elements for news. Ngiyakwazi ukukhama ngiyokufuna indaba.
Yes.
Ngiziverify ukuthi is accurate before ngizoziphakela.
Yes.
Bese ke ngiyakwazi nokuthi ngibone ukuthi lesi story lesi kuqhakatheke kangangani ukuthi singafike ebantwini.
Yes.
Namkha kuchoda ini ukuthi sifike ebantwini. Ngiyakwazi ukuhlaziya into ezinjengalezo ngelimi lesiyeni vathi nesithi ku analyze.
Okay.
Ngiyakwazi uku-analyze i-story. That's part of my skills. Nasingena kuma computer literacy ama skills wala. I'm a good editor.
Okay.
Stories.
That's great.
I know how to project my voices. I know how to do ama
So you could voice some stories.
yes.
Okay. Yes.
Most of the stories engwenzayo. Okay. Ngiphatha camera ngiphatha tripod ngikhambe ngiyokuthuta.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Nangingatholi Mr. Uthokozana undimande GT. Isikhathini esiningi ngikhamba ngiwana. But nomwele muswenza
Yeah, when's the same
that's
thing?
pure journalism.
So bosaraka ngama skills onawo.
I can edit, ngiyakwazi
Yes.
ama software ngokosta bereke nakosta ngi-edit.
Yes.
Ngiyakwazi ukutilize i-camera.
Yes.
Ngiyakwazi ukuyi-projector, ngiyakwazi into efuna i-production.
Yes.
It's Emmanuel Mtimunye.
Yes.
Okay. Qualifications?
Qualifications kine advanced diploma in journalism,
Yes.
kine diploma in journalism.
Yes.
Currently thinking of pursuing a honors in journalism.
Yeah.
But so far isengakangberekeli ngendlela ngifuna ngayo
That's
journalism.
true.
Okay.
So ngingayenza ngingayenzi. But nakungavuleka umnyango kuthiwe indoda yiza asibereke. Njengangeze ngisacala ukuthi ngifuna ukubereka kwa-SABC kuphela.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. You are open for.
Yeah, because
Okay.
into engenenge inesikhathi idlule.
Yes.
True.
Yabona lokho bengicala ukuthi ngiliplaya ngifuna ukudlalela i-Chiefs ngoba ngithanda
Yeah.
i-Chiefs. Njengiliplaya ngadlalela i-Pirates ngadlalela i-Sundowns.
True.
Yabona. So la ngingaqatheka ngakhona ngiyalapha.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have Newsroom Africa, ENCA, kunabo CNN bangaphetsheya, kunabo Jacaranda, kunabo Khaya 959 ezijameleko, you know.
yazi ukuthi ngathi ngikhuluma nomunye wama-journalist
Yes.
wathi kimi, Emmanuel, I so wish ukuthi nabakucatshako la bazokucatsha khona ube around Mpumalanga, ube around KwaNdebele,
Ne.
because if you go we lost.
Yeah, well, that's true.
Mina lokho angikuboni isikhathi sesiside.
But now the question is, akhona more opportunity KwaNdebele now?
Yes.
Kiwo lo mkhakha lo asiguess.
Ne. So ukusho ukuthi enye nenye i-publication engakhayara, whether you News 24 mara nabafuna intori fanele uremain le KwaNdebele ukwazi ukukhavara the stories that are happening there ezingakakhavara.
Thando angekhe ngathi ngirepotele KwaNdebele ngihlala eGauteng Salini.
Yeah, well, that's true. That's why we don't have our stories into ezenzeka ngekhethu.
Njengoba ngitshilo ekuthomeni, provide me with a laptop and a camera, then I will go and cover a story. Give it as fresh as it is.
Ne. Grootman, what is your overall take about the journalism career and what we've covered so far with Emmanuel?
No, I think u-YT usinikele konke esihlokako when it comes to journalism.
Yes.
But i-journalism abantu abaningi abayi-understand because imkhakha esingawufanisa ne-law where you specialize.
Oh, yes.
You know, you don't just become a journalism bese uphela lapho, but ke u-YT we clarulile ukuthi kunama investigating, kunama entertainment journalists, yabona, kunama political journalists, kunama analysts, editors and so on. So umkhakha lo uvulekile mkhulu, ufuna ukuthi umuntu nangena ngaphakathi kwawo azi ukuthi yena ufuna ukuyokuspecialize kuphi. Indaba yaka-YT ukuthi abantu bafollowe ama-accurate media houses iqakathekile ngoba umuntu ubona istory senzeka ku-social media ecabanga ukuthi iqiniso, and nje siphile enkhathini ze-AI whereby I can just create anything.
Exactly.
Nge-AI abantu bacabanga ukuthi hayi nguThando bekakhuluma lapha simbonile, kanti umuntu ucreate just isithombe sakaThando sakhuluma esinguPopayi. So into ezifana lezo nje mina kubikwa kwendaba ngicabanga ukuthi ngilokho ekufanele sikwazi sibabantu and sikulemuke. I'm so impressed ngo-YT ukuthi KwaNdebele kunentori eziningi ezenzakalako kodwana azikhavareki ngoba kunganamuntu o-centered lapho, yabona. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama-organizations wama-journalists nakuthi akhona ayafuneka ukuthi at least alethe ilwazi ngaphambili.
True.
And then babekeke ngendlela efunekako ngoba nje intori esizilalelako eziningi ngathi zenzeka Eastern Cape, Western Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng.
Yes.
And it's na 9 provinces.
Exactly.
Kwenzakalani eMpumalanga? EMpumalanga will only hear izinto ezi-national, but what about izinto ezi-local?
Yes.
Then going back to ama-media houses akhona emphakathini wethu, akusilula ukurun i-media house. You need finances. So ngicabanga ukuthi ama-local advertisers, local businesses, kula kufanele badlale khona indima yokusekela noku-advertisa kuma-media house afana lawo. Ngoba kudinga imali ukuthi u-YT asuke kwaha aye kwaMhlanga. Kudinga imali ukuthi asuke kwaMhlanga yesiyabuswa. Ukhulume nge-safety as well. Kudinga imali ukuthi abe safe, sazi ukuthi la yakhona uyokufika aphephile, uphephe kangangani. So ama-media houses akhona adinga ama-advertisers nama-investors ukuthi asekeleke. So into ezifana lezo ngicabanga ukuthi zingadlala indima ekule ukuze uwakhulisa, being broadcasters, print media, social media publications, mhlambe nama-podcast afana la esikiyo namhlanje.
Yes.
Ngaba kuhle ngelinye ilanga sithi this podcast brought to you by
Yes.
Yeah, that's
njalo nje.
true.
So bekungilokho-ke mina Thando sengithi angilahlele ngakho, ngiyathokoza.
Thokoza mina, the word of the day.
Well, word of the day, education is power.
Yes, sir.
Knowledge is key.
Yes.
But knowledge works if is applied.
Yes.
Akusizi ukuba nelwazi ungalisebenzisi. Ilwazi
Careful.
limamandla, kodwana ilwazi liba namandla na ulisebenzisako.
Yes.
Thokoza.
Thokoza.
Thokoze.
Namasuku nase uyisonga
nase ngiyisonga white ngiba ukuthi niberegeni angitsho kutsho wena ukuthi ningalindi uku-invitewa so kumbereko wakho ukuthi ube out there on the ground level. I think the more uba out there is the more someone ozokubona i-potential ukuthi no, this guy as much as uzitsho nawe ukuthi wena ngagara nasifika kulesi so ngiba wenze umbereko wakho ngendlela ozilonga ngayo and kukuwe ukuthatha abanyaba ukuthi ubahlanganise nibe together nenze into eyi-one izwane ngezwi linye then iKwaNdebele izokuthuthuka iye phambili.
Ya hayi dadwethu ngikuzwile.
Sure.
Mhlanga uGrootman elfocus.
Yes.
Ngizwile. Ngithokoza ithuba. Ngicicuzela yazi ukuthi Lord don't give up.
Hey, don't quit.
Ne.
Angaquit.
Mara I think mina kufanele siyenze ukuthi bembereko wethu as my story with Thando Mahlangu ukuthi sikhupha white loku safety simbuyisele ku journalism. Yes. We need to make sure ukuthi uthola umbereko we journalism. Upractice into ayithanda kona yenza esikolweni. Because ngendlela mina ngiyibona ngayo ukuloba umuntu one 6 years experience wakhamba wayifundela into le for 3 years bese anelwazi analo so now sihloka ilwazi analo ukuthi akhona ukulifundisa namanye ama journalists azakho akhona ukwazi ukukhuthaza nabantu abanekareko ekugadangiseni indaba namkhana ekufuneni indaba uyayibona so now uyasazi isindebele ulindebele ukhuluma isindebele sipure
and nesikhuwa ngiyambona
uyasazi so nesikhuwa uyasazi nokuqaleka uyambona uyaqaleka iTV
yamchama yonke
so so now asisibophelele ngiyazi kuzoba ukuthi sizomenza iproject sizomfunela la azokupractice khona mara aphume e-safety ayenze njenganje la khona nje ngoba
okay
siyalahlekelwa la bakwethu ibizo lami nginguThando Mahlangu indebele elihlakaniphileko nelifundileko ningangithola ke wonke ama social media platform @Thando Mahlangu _ ku YouTube @mystory_with_Thando Mahlangu kulapho sithola khona thina ke njengombana sikhuluma nje bakwethu sigadangisa
Good Life Studios
emniningwana nasi
estudio sentwane focus lami bizo nginqibile ngokwamasuku umntazana othengisa F4 ku R573 nomhlaba lo wonke nje ngatholakala konke America Cape to Cairo.
Yes.
Ku Facebook Nqobile Masuku, TikTok Nqobile Masuku, Instagram Nqobile nofanezile Masuku. Ubuhlo buthola la ngimne 079 084 7562. Tesa.
Yes.
Po.
Sibonge Ndebele.
Stokoze.
Thando Mahlangu ilizwi lesintu indodana yomhlabathi sithi khubeka ungaphela amandla amaNdebele azophumelela siyakukholwa Thando Mahlangu Thando Mahlangu umvikeli wesiko umphakamisi welimi sifundise sikhumbule sithande esingikho isintu sethu siyaphila ngawe ufuna ukubona amaNdebele phumelela khulukhulu ekorweni yozokusithabisa